Okay. Place cookies, in center rack of preheated oven and bake 10 to 14 minutes until brown. Remove cookies from the oven and let cool on baking sheets 15 minutes.
We can use these for
Baking time may
egg muffins.
well, baking time and temperature may vary. Bake before enjoying.
Let me see if I can read it. It's even hard to read it, what?
The blue.
Yeah, but it says 350, not 320.
Yeah, next one.
Yeah, that's the convention oven is at 325. And usually if it's like, if you have a black pan, it's 325, and if you have a silver pan, it's 350. See, otherwise, it's 350, otherwise it says convention oven, 325. Because they heat different.
Yeah, okay, 350.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this back in here, this is my creamer that's. Oh, you got that big pan down to that, huh?
For best results, scoop cookie dough and place a ½ inch apart. I'll tell you how much cookie dough.
Now see, that's a black pan, so the black pans always, actually are supposed to cook faster, so you're supposed to cook them at 325. In almost all my recipes I get now, if you have the black pan,